Hey guys, welcome back to Family Life. I'm Natalie.
I'm Philip.
And that's Gypsy. And we're back for another K-pop reaction video. This time we have
IU Sleepless Rainy Night.
This is a special clip.
Yes.
I don't know what that was, but okay.
We just reacted to last night, and we were thinking that was a very, very quirky, very IU-esque video.
Right.
So I feel like maybe this is going to be the theme of this remake album.
I don't know. But yeah, it's a special clip, so I'm betting it's going to be more interesting if that's possible.
I don't know if it's going to be possible. But without more to say,
let's do this. I still got the last
It
one
even
stuck in my
tells-
head. Special clip.
oh, still got that retro.
Yep.
I think that's the same strappy.
No, it's different.
Looks like it might be a slow song.
Is she playing? Yeah, she is. Oh, there's a player in the background.
Yeah.
I love her voice.
Super jazzified.
It is. I'm liking it. And I love the glasses. It's
Fits
super
the
retro.
retro.
Yeah.
And I like the TV show they're doing the harmonizing.
Full on band behind her too. So like full on like coffee shop set.
Yeah, it's like a stripped down performance.
It even says unplugged. I love her voice. Ooh, love the beat coming.
And she took the glasses off.
The glasses were my favorite part of the ensemble. And I love the other hers on the TVs. It's full on like a rap sound. So pretty.
IU should be everyone's girl crush.
I love it.
No one can't wear his glasses.
to sing, girl. I'm trying to figure, when did she put the glasses back on? I missed that part.
She snuck it back on.
Yes. Okay. I so can get into that. Like, within the first 15 seconds, I was like, I like this. Like, the other song, the actual single, was real cute, fun, quirky. But this is like, that's something I can like really get into. Like, I could go download that right now and listen to it when I'm just like chilling in my bedroom or something. Like, I loved it. It had this like cool coffee shop vibe and just was like laid back. But I really like when she would do the little harmonies and stuff. And at the end, she was doing the IU notes that just were beautiful. And like, I absolutely love that song.
Yeah, that was like bona fide, like, yo, this is like
right.
It.
I was like grooving to it the whole time, like, okay, I'm feeling this. And it was like super subdued, like just like chill, like she didn't do anything crazy. The video was like real low key, but it was perfect. It just had that coffee shop vibe, and I just loved it.
You know what? You know what's crazy? It kind of reminds me of when Starship does do their like stripped down R&B type of songs.
Yeah.
Like there's like a stripped down like version of Secret.
Right.
By WJSN, and then there's also like some other artists who've done like more like coffee shop like type of stuff. Like it's kind of crazy. Like the song is perfect as is, but I felt like what would really make it go over the top is like if there was like a live performance and she like called on K Will to help her out, because I feel like K Will would kill on that song too.
You know, I love K Will to pieces, but I don't necessarily agree. I feel like that song don't need anything, no additives. I think like it was perfect the way that it was, and it should stay just like that.
So what is your thoughts on IU's more jazzified sounds? If you like it, let us know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share with all your friends.
Also, you can find us on all of our social media. You can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all as PhamilyLife. Okay, dog. Or Family_Life.
We have upcoming reactions for you guys, and don't forget our upload schedule is now Monday to Friday. So you guys get a new video of us Monday to Friday. Be it reactions or special clips like we did with our Mr. and Mrs. tag, and our constant rotations as well.
So stay tuned for those, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye!
Bye!